clearly by the title, I am taking these babies off. It's been like a month now. There's space right there in between them. Not a good sign. I don't really get refills done. I just wear them as long as I can before they start looking bad, and then I'm like, ugh, time to take them off. So the things I'm using are aluminum foil, cotton balls, 100% pure acetone. This is how I usually take my nails off. I don't go to the place to get them off, the nail salon. Okay, hi again. So the first step I do is open this, of course. Oh, step one, complete. That was easy. I need the that was easy button. Then I take my cotton ball. And then I just do like that and try to saturate it as much as possible. I want to kind of squeeze it a little bit back in there. Like I saturate it, but I don't want it like dripping, you know? And then what I do is just I like go over it like this. And I don't know if you're really supposed to do this, but then clean around it. I don't even know if this cleans. I keep it on there and then take my aluminum foil, and then I try to break off a generous piece, and then I just kind of wrap it around there. Oh, thumbs up. These were really cute. I mean, they're not cute now because of the space, but I mean, when they were in their prime day, they were cute, okay? And I got them done back in Anderson, South Carolina. And like this nice man, he was so nice. He made them exactly how I wanted them. I wanted, you know, French tip, but also short. So that way they just look natural. And he was so funny. Like when he was filing them, he would file and he would stop and he would be like, "Are these good?" I'm like, "Yes, you're doing great." And he would just, "Are these good?" I'm like, "Yes." I was asking him how you say certain words in his language. We were just two friends just hanging out, talking. And literally, I got them done the day before. No, it was literally the day of the wedding. So yeah, because my mom was like wanting to get her feet done. I was like, oh, okay, well, if you're going to the nail salon, and she wanted me to come with her, you know, like a girl's day. So I was like, hey, while I'm here, I might as well change my nails, because I didn't really like, I mean, I liked them and I could deal with them, but I mean, ultimately it wasn't exactly what I wanted. So I was like, well, while I'm here, let me just, you know, change mine up and get what I want. So literally the day of the wedding. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me get this on. Voila! These nails are so in style right now. Like if you don't have these nails, what's wrong with you? You need to get with the trend, with the fashion, okay? I usually like to do one hand at a time, so I don't like, well, and it's kind of hard with these to do the other ones anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it. All right, what was that? What was that? My voice, can I not speak English? This is my process. So I mean, it's simple. I know that they have like the dental floss method, which I've never tried that. I actually might try it, but I just am so scared that it'll hurt like crazy, and I just don't want anything to snag. I just might just stick with this, even though it takes a little longer. So I will see you in a little bit. I will let this sit, and yeah, we'll talk some more, okay? All right, see you in a bit. Bye. Oh my gosh. I knocked over the acetone, guys. Okay, I think I lost only a little bit. I think I'm still good. Wow, the lighting looks kind of weird because the sun is behind some clouds. So this is what we're working with. Anyway, I think it's been like, I want to say 30 minutes. Let's just see what we're working with here. What in the world? The cotton is stuck on it. What? Wait a minute. This method isn't the easiest, so if you definitely like don't want to go through all this, then. But now it's like loose, so I can just kind of work with it. It's like gum. It's like sticky, like sticky tack. You know the sticky tack or tacky. What? I don't know. I don't know what things are called. Whoa, dude. Wow. I thought for sure, this is kind of surprising me because I thought for sure the actual like nail part would slide off easy, but it's, oh, okay. I just broke it. I just broke it off. Time-lapse video starting now.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is what I'm working with now. I'm gonna see if I can use, I don't even know if I can use dental floss on this. It's just like a little piece that's kind of really left. Okay, be right back again. I have the dental floss, right? And I like kind of have it underneath this nail, but like it won't go through that way. I only have it on one side, so this is not working. I don't know if it like just like works mainly for nails that are already lifting, because if I use it on this side, I can't like, I can't get it underneath. Of course, it's harder to do with, oh, it's starting to hurt. Oh my gosh. I'm like psyching myself out right now because I'm like scared I'm gonna pull up my real nail, and I don't want to do that. Why did I say that? I don't want to do that. This is taking forever and I'm only on one nail. Okay, I'll come back when they're all off. They're off. Okay. So some of them you can still see that is still on my nail bed, so I'm gonna have to go back over that, and also just everywhere because I've been kind of doing this and it's gotten on there. But yeah, before, after, so I can breathe a little bit. I don't know, should I go ahead and put the fold back on this and get the rest of this off, or should I just start on this side? I guess I'll just start on this side. All right, bye. And just like that, the right side is done. Repeating the process. I'd say total, it takes about an hour to 2 hours to completely get them off. So you definitely have to have time. And it's a Saturday, so perfect. I just wanted to do a video me taking my nails off and kind of showing you that process of what I do. I mean, I don't think this is a proper way-ish. I'm not a professional by any means at all. I did kind of want to try the dental one, and I was gonna try it on this, but my nail tech did it so like, he really did a great job on these nails because I couldn't, it wasn't lifting or anything, and I couldn't get it underneath the nail, so I was like that's not gonna work. So I will end this video, and I would say thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. It really does mean a lot. Even though I don't have many, I just am really appreciative because I was really scared of doing YouTube in the beginning, as you know, so but really excited. So I will definitely do a different video because that's a whole thing separately, and yeah, I just thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.